Welcome to our roundup of the best adjustable wrenches, versatile hand tools designed to handle a wide range of fastening tasks with ease and precision. Whether you're working on plumbing, automotive repairs, home maintenance, or DIY projects, an adjustable wrench is an essential addition to any toolbox. These tools are built with adjustable jaws that allow them to fit different bolt and nut sizes, reducing the need for multiple fixed wrenches. Modern adjustable wrenches come with features like durable steel construction, smooth adjustment mechanisms, ergonomic grips, and rust-resistant finishes. Choosing the right adjustable wrench can improve efficiency, reduce effort, and ensure better control during your work. Let's take a closer look at some of the best adjustable wrenches available right now. Starting with the Hautmich adjustable wrench, this model is a solid option for users who want reliable performance for everyday tasks. It typically features a strong steel construction that provides durability and long-lasting use under regular working conditions. The adjustable jaw mechanism allows smooth operation, making it easy to fit different fastener sizes quickly. Its ergonomic handle design improves grip and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Many users appreciate its balance between affordability and functionality. Additionally, it delivers consistent performance for a variety of applications. It also improves handling, enhances control, and supports efficient workflow during everyday use. It also increases durability, improves adjustment precision, enhances grip comfort, and ensures stable performance during repeated use in various home and light professional applications. Next up is the SETI adjustable wrench, a practical choice known for its durability and user-friendly design. This wrench typically features a sturdy build with corrosion-resistant materials that help extend its lifespan. The smooth adjustment screw allows quick and accurate jaw positioning, making it easy to work with different bolt sizes. Many versions include a comfortable grip that improves handling and reduces slipping during use. Users often appreciate its reliable performance and solid construction. Additionally, it provides steady operation and dependable results. It also enhances efficiency, improves accuracy, and supports consistent performance across tasks. It also boosts long-term reliability, improves resistance to wear, enhances adjustment smoothness, and ensures dependable performance during both light-duty and moderate mechanical work conditions. Moving on to the WorkPro adjustable wrench, this model is well known for its strong build quality and dependable performance. It typically features high-quality steel construction that offers excellent strength and resistance to wear. The precision-machined jaws provide a secure grip on fasteners, reducing the chance of slipping during use. Its ergonomic handle design helps improve comfort and control. Many users appreciate its professional feel and reliable functionality. Additionally, it delivers consistent performance for a variety of applications. It also improves safety, enhances grip stability, and supports efficient working conditions. It also increases overall durability, improves jaw alignment, enhances torque handling, and ensures consistent performance across demanding tasks and extended periods of regular use. Stepping up in performance, the Evil Energy adjustable wrench offers a strong combination of durability and precision. This model typically features a heavy-duty construction designed to handle tougher jobs and higher torque requirements. The adjustable jaw mechanism allows precise fitting for different fastener sizes, improving efficiency during work. Many versions include a non-slip handle that provides better control and comfort. Users appreciate its solid feel and dependable performance in demanding situations. Additionally, it delivers reliable results and stable operation. It also enhances grip strength, improves control, and supports heavy-duty tasks. It also boosts performance under pressure, improves resistance to deformation, enhances precision handling, and ensures long-lasting reliability during intensive and repeated mechanical applications. Taking the top spot is the Olympia Tools adjustable wrench, a highly durable and versatile option designed for both professional and home use. This wrench typically features high-strength steel construction that ensures long-term durability and resistance to wear and corrosion. The precision adjustment mechanism allows smooth and accurate jaw positioning for different tasks. Many users appreciate its comfortable grip and balanced design, which improves control during use. It delivers excellent performance across a wide range of applications. Additionally, it provides strong grip, consistent operation, and reliable results. It also stands out for its durability, versatility, and ease of use. It also enhances long-term performance, improves torque efficiency, increases adjustment accuracy, and ensures top-level reliability for both professional tasks and everyday repair work. All of these adjustable wrenches serve different needs depending on durability, precision, and usage requirements. The Hautmach wrench offers reliable everyday performance. The SETI wrench provides durability and smooth operation. The WorkPro wrench delivers strong build quality and dependable results. The Evil Energy wrench handles tougher, more demanding tasks, and the Olympia Tools wrench stands out as the most durable and versatile option overall. That wraps up our list of the best adjustable wrenches, from simple everyday tools to heavy-duty options built for professional use. If you're upgrading your toolbox, handling repairs, or working on DIY projects, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which adjustable wrench you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals and make your next project easier and more efficient with the right tool.